Yan guys. This is again for our next winter. We just only starting the, ano ba yun? Pa-spring pa lang pala siya. Pa-spring. But now we are just preparing for the next winter. Yan. So, matrabaho na naman siya mga guys. So, ayan. Here, I can put the wood. O, di ba? Kapagod. Kita mo? Next wood for the next winter. Yeah, I'm just starting. It's already finished. Empty now. Oh.